So this is Google Maps, and from there you can see offline maps. Then you can select your own maps, and then you can see it's now here in Istanbul. You can put it like this, so we're going this way, and then you can start downloading. So it's just going to download, and then you can choose another one. Let's say you're going next to Greece. So here, say, go here after. Just down like that. See, and then you can rename this. Say I wanna call it Istanbul, and then this one should be Greece. There you go. So as you can see, it has 1 year validity. It expires 1 year after. And yeah, you can actually download up to this part, which is bigger area. Or you can just choose this one if you want. So that, you know, the bigger the area, the bigger the file is, so that will eat most of your memory. So you just choose the places where you will go. So if you're going to the whole Turkey, then what you usually do is you do it on a per area. So this one, let's say this, you download this, and then the next one you download this, and then the next one you download this, and then the next one you download this part. So it's like that. But then I think you can download up to 10 maps. So that's hopefully will cover the whole destination that you're going to. And if it's not enough, then delete the ones that you've been to, and then if you have Wi-Fi, download the next maps that you will go to. So okay, so now that you've downloaded the offline maps, you can go back and then let's say sample. You're going to Blue Mosque. You're actually, let's say, in Blue Mosque. So, and then you want to go to choose a place nearby. It's a Grand Bazaar. So as you can see, it only works for drive. So for metro, it doesn't work. For walking, it doesn't work. So you have to choose always this one. But it doesn't mean that you should walk that way. So usually it will just be your guide for you to know where you go. And usually, there will be like a blinking spot where you are. It's just not here because I'm not actually in Istanbul right now. So let's say the blinking part is here. That's you. So when you move, that thing also goes with you, and then you can actually go this path, which is closer. Just go straight, And then there's actually an entrance here as well, as you can see. Or you can go here too. So it's up to you. But I think it's better if you go here because it's closer. Or you can go here and enter Grand Bazaar. So that's how you actually do it. So let's go back. It's current. So I'll just show you the this blue spot. So I'm here. So that's where I am. And whenever you move, that blue spot moves as well. So yeah, so that's basically it. What you would always do is you just use this whenever you need to go to somewhere. Let's say after Grand Bazaar, you plan to go to Spice Bazaar, so you just move this, change it to Spice Bazaar. This one. And you can see, you can do it again, walk like that. At this point, I think it's almost the same. So for Apple, it's the same thing. You can just download Google Maps in your application and then do the same steps. But if you're traveling to China where Google is banned or not working, you might want to look for other application that offers offline maps, because I don't think Maps has that. Yes, so I will put the link of list of applications, and you can use in the description side. So yeah, that's it.